You know, no matter how cool your vehicle is or how old your vehicle is, if you go hunting, you don't want to put your game in the back of your Tahoe. So I thought about it and I was like, well, how am I going to get my game out of the woods? And I was like, I know what I'll do. Harbor Freight has these little carriers that go on the bumper hitch right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get that and I'm going to put that on there. And that way, when I go hunting, I can put my game on the back. And if I need to carry, say, rice bran or deer corn, you don't want to put rice bran, deer corn, any of that kind of stuff inside the vehicle, because you let a kernel of corn get out. Next thing you know, you have a mouse get in there, and mice and vehicles just don't go together. So I bought this cargo carrier. This is from Harbor Freight, and this is it right here. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to put this thing together. So let's see what it looks like. Well, I've already took the liberty to cut the top off of this a little bit. And let's go ahead and spin around and see what all we got in here. Looks like it might be pretty easy and self-explanatory to put together. I'm thinking it's going to go something like that. I got bolts, so let's start putting this thing together. I don't know, but they have tied this thing up with some string. I guess however they want to do it to make it work out. But it's packaged pretty well so far that I've seen. Well, there's a lot of these cable ties on here. We'll have to get something to snip those off. My package was busted open a little bit, or maybe I got into it with my knife just a little. Let's go ahead and see. There's a bolt. There's a bolt. There's washers. These are actually lock washers. These are nuts. You can get all the same size nuts together. All the same size washers together. Pinned together. I don't know if y'all can see this or not. Here, this is what I'm doing. For anyone who wants to know, I'm just putting my nuts together and bolts together. These are my bolts here. These are bolts. These are all the light washers. And here is that. And looks like we have 6 there. Now, as far as putting this thing together, I really don't know. But I do know that there's a piece of metal in this, I think, and this one here. And I believe that's what these are going to go in, like this right here. But let's see. All right, let's pull it over here where I can get it closer. Y'all can see how sharp my knife is. Only thing I got going for me right now on this knife is, well, it's pointed. But that's about it. All right. I'm gonna put this thing back in my pocket before I hurt somebody with it. All right, let's move along. Now well, I'm gonna have to get this. Nope. This one here, we don't have to do it twice. Look at that. And I believe it goes like that right there. You know, I might want it to go down though. I don't know. If it's up, it'll be flush. But won't nothing fit right on it. Okay. So let's go ahead. I know that this is going to go together like so. I'll tell you what, you get them in there, you've done something. Now, these four are going to go to that right there, I can bet you. Let's go ahead and put the lock washers on. You know they go right here. Now, these are lock nuts. No, these are just regular nuts. Not lock nuts, just regular nuts. One more. And these are going to go across here like so. So I am going to go out on a limb and I'm going to put mine in this way. I'm going to put one in here. I'm going to put one in here. Just like that. And do the opposite on this side. Go in this way. And go in that way. Now I'm going to take one of these each and go find the right nuts or the right sockets to fit them. All right, now that I got all the bolts in here, we're going to go ahead and snatch this thing down pretty tight. See what we can do with it. Kind of like it to be up a little bit. So I'm going to put this box underneath it to straighten it out some. And then we're going to tighten her down. If I go the right direction, we're going to tighten her down. Oh, we don't want to cinch them up too bad because they are on small metal. Now let's do these bottom ones. It's a 5/8 on this one. Now why the top ones are a 13 and the bottom ones are a 5/8, I do not know. But it's true. All in all, this is very easy to put together. And the right tools make it even better. All right, well, that's in there. Let's put it in and see what it looks like. Well, let's get this off right here first. Put this in here. Wish there was a little storage compartment I could put this in, but I guess I'll just lay it right here for right now. And here's the new pin. You know, it's really not that heavy. I thought it was going to be heavier, but it's not bad. And there's how far it sticks out right there. And there's the pin. Now this thing rattles though, doesn't it? But let's see. I think it'll hold a big old game if it'll hold me. But this is only for if I bring something home. And I will store this inside this truck. And we'll figure out how I'm going to do that in a bit. But we're definitely going to store it inside. We can't have this on the back of this truck all the time. That's just a bit ridiculous. So let's do that. Let's pull this pin. Put it back in there. Well, that sits in there pretty good, I reckon. Nothing wrong with the way that goes in there. I'll put my hitch back out here. Like it goes. Alright, that takes care of that. Well, I want to thank you guys for watching this video, and this is the Harbor Freight 500-pound capacity deluxe cargo carrier, and they have them for about $50 at Harbor Freight. But it'll carry your game out pretty good, and there's places where you can tie all over this metal carrier, and it ain't bad. It sits right in here. And I believe I can sit it in here with my seats up. Yeah. Fits nicely. And when I need it, I got it right here in the back of the truck. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. Well, since I made this video, I figured out how to store this thing. I mean, it stores right there just like that. And it gives me full use of this whole cargo area. So that's the way I'm storing it now. So that works out good.